after cleaning the filter, look at the flow or the pressure coming out from the top nozzles. Okay, this is so one option is to remove that lid and look at it, but it's much easier to make a habit once a week. Open. Now I know open and clean. I know some people that have a hose connected to here, and they flush it like this by opening this valve to put a lot of pressure. Okay, and flush it. I don't like to do this because it's spraying everywhere and I'm losing nutrient solution. It's much easier to shut off the pump, finish till it's drained, till it drains, and then open this and clean the filter that's inside. Okay, this is, I checked our records, it's been 3.5 weeks since we started these plants, so that's definitely way too long to wait to clean the filter. You have to find your own system, depending on the water that you are using, but definitely once a week is a good start. Okay, you don't want to reach a situation like this where some plants are struggling or wilting. Okay, so live and learn from my mistakes so you don't have to repeat them. Enjoy.